Peace be upon you and my Allah, mercy and blessing be with you. Good morning and greeting to all of us. On the occasion of this proposal seminar, I will present a research proposal. This research was prepared as on of the recruitment for writing a thesis with my first supervisor, Dr. Marsofiati SPD MPD, and my second supervisor, Maulana Amirul Adha SPD MPD. My name is Alfa Aflaha, student ID number 171242280. Majoring in D4 Digital Office Administration, Facultas of Economic and Business. The title of my seminar proposal report is Case Study of the Easy of the Sri Kandi application-based electronic filing system within the General Bureau of the Ministry of Law of the Republic of Indonesia. The structure of this proposal seminar presentation consists of Chapter 1 Introduction, Chapter 2 Literature Review, Chapter 3 Research Methodology. The rapid development of information and communication technology has brought significant changes to various aspects of life, including public administration, according to Usman et al. 2024. Digitalization not only improves operational efficiency but also strengthens public trust and organizational management. The Sri Kandi application was first introduced to the public on October 27, 2020 by the National Archives of the Republic of Indonesia. The General Bureau of the Ministry of Law of the Republic of Indonesia has implemented this application is archive management. However, based on initial observation, although the Sri Kandi application assists employees in their work, it has not yet been fully optimized due to technical conference and varying levels of user understanding. To strengthen the research problem, the research for the Sri Kandi application can greatly support employees work. The initial target was 16,400 per achieved fields per year. However, the Ministry of Law and its regional office across Indonesia have exceeded this target by achieving 70,588 achieved files. This achievement indicates that the Sri Kandi application significantly facilitates employees' work activities. A pre-research study was conducted involving 19 employees of the General Bureau of the Ministry of Law of the Republic Indonesia. The results of the pre-research show that employees have asked the Sri Kandi application. However, the level of easy of varies, as some employees still experience difficulties in operating the application. For this research discuss the urge of the Sri Kandi application to examine the extent to which it supports administration and archival governance in institution, particular at the General Bureau of the Ministry of Law, the Republic of Indonesia, using a qualitative case study research method and appropriate data collection technique. Based on the background described above, the research questions of this study are as follows. 1. How is the electronic archiving system of the Sri Kandi application implemented at the General Bureau of the Ministry of Law of the Republic Indonesia? 2. How easy is the ask of the Sri Kandi application at the General Bureau of the Ministry of Law of the Republic of Indonesia? 3. What obstacles are encountered in the use of the Srikandi electronic archiving system. The object of this research are 1. To identify the electronic archiving system of the Srikandi application. 2. To determine the level of ease of use of the Srikandi application. 3. To identify obstacles in the implementation of the electronic archiving system. The benefit of this research include for the institute as evaluation and improved reference for the electronic archiving system, for the research as a means of academic development and fulfillment of graduation requirement, for reader as a scientific research related to digital archiving and public administration transformation. Literature review. Introduction achieve a written record that serves as evidence of an organization's achievements in the form of letter, document, or manuscript containing information produced and retrieved by a company or agency in the course of its operational activity. Susanti and Pusbasari, the years 2020. Function and objective of archiving. According to Kuswanto and Widyastuti 2021, function of archiving, storing and documenting important information as administrative, legal, and historical evidence. Objective of archiving: ensuring the security, integrity, and authenticity of archives as evidence of accountability and supporting organizational transparency and digital archiving. Digital archiving is a mechanism for storing, organizing, and accessing documents and data in electronic format. Juliana et al. 2023. Next, advantage and disadvantage digital archiving. Advantage, ulang-ulang satu, halaman 6. Advantage and disadvantage digital archiving. According to Saputra et al. 2024, advantage includes word efficiency, easier access to information, faster and more organized archiving process. Disadvantage: initial cons, data security risks, potential data loss due to system errors. Srikandi Electronic Archiving System integrate dynamic archiving information system. Manages the entry dynamic archive lifecycle, creation, distribution, storage, and disposal. Dynamic archive are archives that are still archivally, as in governance, planning, implementation, and administration. Utomo et al. The year 2018. Electronic filing system management Srikandi application integrate dynamic filing information system. Uploading documents, adjusting form with document for archive categories and classification codes in accordance with TND. Automatic data collection, archive type, archive creator, recording time, and responsible work unit. Digital document must complete with TND format for data storage and protection. Automatic archive retention. Next, previous studies. In this slide 1, present 3 previous students that are relevant to the topic of electronic archiving and the Srikandi application. These students show that digital archiving systems are able to improve efficiency, performance, and transparency. However, all of the studies also identified similar challenges, namely limited implementation in human research, technological readiness, and organizational support. Based on this finding, I formulate the assumption that the implementation of Sri Kandi is indeed beneficial. However, the level of easy of us and its success are strongly influenced by the supporting factor. This is the main focus of my research. Next, the research location is the General Bureau of the Ministry of Law of the Republic of Indonesia location at HR Rasunasa Street, South Jakarta. This location was selected based on the strategy role of the General Bureau in administrative and archival management, as well as the implementation of the Sri Kandi application-based electronic archiving system, which is relevant to the focus on this study. The research is planned to be conducted in the years 2025. The stage began with title submission and a preliminary study followed by data collection, took interview and documentation. After that, proposal writing, data analysis, and the preparation of the final research report will be carried out. With this time planning, each stage of the research is expected to process systematically and is a structured manner. Research subject: head of the archival teams, junior expert archivist, secretary of the archival team, junior expert archivist, member of the archival team, junior expert archivist. Research object: the implementation of the Sri Kandi application-based electronic archiving system at the General Bureau of the Ministry of Law, the Republic of Indonesia. In this slide, I explain the research methodology as in this study. One research design. This research as a descriptive qualitative approach with a case study design. The descriptive qualitative approach is chosen because this study aims to describe and deeply understand how the ease of the Sri Kandi application-based electronic archiving system is perceived by user, particularly employees of the General Bureau of the Ministry of Law of the Republic Indonesia. Meanwhile, the case study design is asked because this research focused on a single object and a specific research location, namely the implementation of the Sri Kandi application at the General Bureau of the Ministry of Law of the Republic Indonesia. Through a case study, the research can explore the phenomena in a more in-depth, contextual, and comprehensive manner. To data collection technique, data collection in this research is conducted through three techniques. 1. Interview. 2. Observation. 3. Documentation. 3. Data analysis technique. In analyzing the data, this research applies data triangulation technique of the enhance the validity and credibility of the research finding. Triangulation is carried out by comparing and confirming data obtained from interview, observation, and documentation to ensure more valid results. In addition, data analysis as an interactive analysis model consisting of data collection, data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion drawing. This process is carried out repeatedly and continues until conclusions that align with the research objective are obtained. That concludes the presentation of my research proposal. I sincerely hope that this research can contribute to the development of electronic archiving system in government institutes. I apologize for my shortcoming in my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.